got a haircut. What do you guys think of it? I love it. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're going to Negril. So I'm at Travelers Beach Resort. I made it. My room is a Superior King room and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. It's lovely so far. It's nice and cool. Perfect for the hot summer. Guys, I have my own little patio here and just chill in the night or in the late evening. Just sip on some tea or something. This room is giving me like an apartment vibe. I just love it. It's so cool. It's so cozy. It really exceeded my expectations. So this is my huge bed. I have a little couch over there. Night tables, right? I also have a television, coffee maker. I can make my tea because I'm more of a tea person. So this is nice. It's so decent and I really never expected the fridge to be so big, guys. Look, it's huge. I brought some drinks and some snacks, so I'm just gonna stock the fridge myself because it's not an all-inclusive hotel. I have a little mirror here. Right, hi guys. Alright, so this is a closet. Have a safe here. I'm not gonna hang up any clothes. This is a bathroom. This is different. I have a nice little door to open 2 ways. Alright, so this is a bathroom. I have a nice little rain shower. It's decent rain shower. It smells very clean inside here, guys. Like, it's so clean. Hi guys. Yes, this sink, blow dryer, and this huge mirror is so big. It's so big, guys. I love this. All right, so this is the room so far, and as you can see, I have so much space. And this room, I can't stop talking about the temperature. After a hot day at the beach, you just want to just chill and just cool off, and it's so cold. It's cold and I love it. So guys, I'm at lunch. You need to see my view right now. Look at my view. I'm feeling some Irie vibes and I like it. I'm really enjoying myself. It's not an all-inclusive hotel, but it's just giving me some good beach vibe. I'm here for the beach and the food. That's really why I'm here. Just for the beach, Negril Beach.
I see you.
Alright. Okay guys, so this is like just a quick little shot of the hotel. That's the pool right there. This property is well maintained. These are some more affordable rooms. These are some bungalows, and you also have suites here. Okay guys, so this is my fridge after stocking it. I got some water here and some Pure Country juice and some Smirnoff and light beer in lemon flavor. So I have my own drinks going on here. I just made sure to stock up on what I think I may want to drink. So I also carried some snacks. So this got squeezed. Tortuga cake, rum cake, some Cheetos, some Nice's chips, Pringles, and gummy worms. So those are my snacks for this trip. Guys, so I went for a little late evening swim. It's so beautiful here. Like I'm absolutely loving it so far.
I feel good when I'm wrapped up in your arms, dancing to the reggae song. Feel good,
That's my
I
jam.
feel good, cause your perfume is so loud. You know that I can talk about
Alright, have fun. Guys, I'm here with the dive boat. I'm just dipping my toes. It's 70 how much feet?
75.
75 feet. So I ain't doing any swimming right here. So I'm just chilling until I go snorkeling. Whoa! Wow! Wow! That's a lot. What kind of fish? That's a lionfish. It's the first time I see. I saw an octopus. Wow! That's crazy. Well, like what them eat?
Fish.
Small fish. You can't hold my wife. No, I don't want to touch it.
No, it's not harmful.
You're white.
You feel?
Yeah.
So they would like go over, they pray like that and suck it in.
Oh God. Ooh.
Look.
Oh my gosh.
It's not harmful.
Booby K, okay, yes. We're going to Booby K. Booby.
They're colorful, right?
Yes, it's so much fun. Look at this lobster. And a skunk. Back from the few hours out at sea. That's exactly what I wanted to experience. That's what I had in the back of my mind coming here, that I wanted to do some kind of water activity, and I ended up going on a dive boat, seeing divers and how they operate. I wanted to dive, but I said I would try it another time. I really wanted to go snorkeling, so I saw where they were fishing, they were spear fishing, and I saw the catch of the day. And then I was able to go out to Island Reef, and as you saw in the video, I saw some beautiful fish, some corals, and it was nice. It was really nice. We were feeding the fish and they were coming to me. It was kind of strange at first, but I got used to it. So I'm here. A Travelers Beach Resort.
But this looks so realistic though. I'm by the pool, guys. You know already.
Hi guys. So I'm closing up my vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. So I'm just gonna do a quick review of Travelers Beach Resort. Overall, this property exceeded my expectations. The superior king room that I have feels like an apartment. I'm just here on my patio. I'm just chilling. I'm doing my review right here, and it's a huge space. It feels very Jamaican, if that makes sense. I had a good time, guys. The food, I must rave about the food. I had some shrimp, I had some lobster. I wanted to try the lobster, and it was really good. It was delicious. Butter garlic lobster with some mashed potatoes. It's such a very small hotel. The staff it just feels so personalized. Like everything that they do just feels like, you know, your family. And I love that about hotels when I'm traveling. I like when I can feel like I'm home. So I would recommend this hotel. I would come back. I'm glad I came all this way to stay here. I really wanted to try something different, try a value hotel that meets a traveler's budget. I tried to get as much beach time and pool time as possible because it rained a bit. Hey kitty! Hi kitty! Hi! Hey kitty! Hey sweetie! Aww! Hey! Hey! What's up? Look at who interrupted my video, guys. Hey! Hey! It's food out. What chair? What chair? My gosh! Hi! What's your name? Oh my gosh! You see, this is what I love. So you see when I said that there's a place that feels like home, this is definitely it. So here I have two cats on my patio. Cat well comfortable on my patio. Right here. Say bye. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. You can follow me on Instagram at IslandQueenJM. So until next time, guys, bye.